This is 1/6 translation of functions. I graphed the square root of x in white on the right. Now, if the number is on the outside, that's going to shift it up or down. In this case, up. And it's going to shift it up 2. So this point right here goes up 2. This point right here goes up 2. This goes up from here to up 2. And so you have the same exact curve, except everything shifted up 2. Now on 69, it is on the inside. It's with the x. So that's going to shift it left or right. This one happens to shift it to the left 2. Now the reason I say it's to the left 2 is what makes x plus 2 0? -2, right? So that's why everything shifted to the left 2. So I go from here, I go to the left 2. Take this to the left 2. Take this point right here, go to the left 2. And you have the same shape, just to the left 2. 71 in yellow is the same thing, but it has a negative in front of it. That just flips it over the x-axis, so it would be this bottom part. So that's 71. 71. Now, I believe, Priya, you asked about 73, right? So let's get to here. Can you tell me what makes this thing 0 on the inside? If x is 2. So if I put in a 2, I get a 0. Do you agree with that? Guys, you can always plug and chug. Just choose a number. If you put in a 1, what would you get out of this thing?
1.
If you put in a 1, you'd get a 1. If you put in a 2, you got a 0. What would you get if you put in a, how about a -2? I think the negative of a -2 is 2 plus 2. I think if I use -2, it would be up here at 2. So what that does is it kind of makes it open the other way. Kind of makes it open the other way. Okay, this is still from 1/6 translations of functions. If a number is outside, it moves it up or down. Since it's positive, this is moving it up 4. So you're going to get the exact same graph, just moved up 4. Now when it's on the inside, it moves it left and right. What value makes that 0? Is it positive or negative? -4 plus 4 makes it 0. So that means it's moving to the left 4. So you're going to have the same V shape, but it's going to be over here, moved to the left 4. Now, what happens here is, on the last one, 85, that again means to the left 4, but this right here means not up, it means down 2, right? So I want to move to the left 4, which is here, and then down 2. And there's 85. See if I can label them. This bluish one is 85. The yellow one is 83. The only other one here is 81, right? Because the white one was my base or original function. Value that makes apart the radicand 0 is when x is -2. So that means it's moved to the left 2. This -2 means it's moved down 2. Again, I'm not emphasizing this point, but the 2 there makes it wider or steeper. So what I'm going to do is, if I put in, I'm going to just make an XY table. You can never go wrong. What would happen if I put in a -2? If I put in a -2, what would I get out? -2, that would be 0 minus 2, I think would give me -2, wouldn't it? So -2, -2. Okay? What would I get if I put in a +2? Why did I choose +2? Because it gives me a nice square root. Would that be 4 minus 2? Making it 2. So I know it'd be 2, 2. And it's opening, but it's opening much steeper or wider. That's because of this 2 in front of it. But you can always just plug points in if you like.